good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Leonor Gomez here. Please, everyone, let me know where you're tuning in from because I like to know where everybody is from. And if you're watching the replay, if this little button over here, well, no, over here, over here, the red little button over here that says live, it's not on, then please hashtag replay so I can say hello, say, and comment and reply and all that good stuff. So, I'm just coming by for a little bit, just for a few minutes, just to say hello. That's the first thing. And to invite everyone tonight at 7 p.m. for a webinar that we are having, which is amazing because it's going to have a lot of information, a lot of good stuff that a lot of you are going to enjoy. So come on over, register, and just enjoy and stay with us. You're going to be able to hear testimonials, information, a lot of great stuff. So, with that being said, I'm going to put the information in the comments section so everybody can see it and just register and be there. The webinar is at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Now, the other time zones, I am not sure what are the time zones for everywhere else. No, I get confused. But, yeah, what are the time zones? I don't know. Can someone tell me the different time zones? Because I know this is Eastern time. But I don't know the rest of the time zones for some reason. Yeah, I don't know the rest of the time zones. But anyway, I know it's early in the morning, so a lot of you are going to see this as a replay, not as a live. So, like I said before, I know I'm repeating myself. I don't know why. I think it's the coffee. Just hashtag replay so I can just say hello, pass by, all of that. And I hope the camera looks good because sometimes, no, it doesn't work. It looks kind of weird. So yeah. So I'm going to say a little bit about me. My name is Leonor Gomez. I'm originally from New York. Yes, New York, New York. Now let me stop. Let me stop. Now I live in New Jersey, which was a big, big, big change for me. Because I'm a city girl. I think that's what you call it, right? A city girl. But I think I've grown to like it. I hope. Yeah. Yeah. So, I am a mother of two beautiful boys. They are 5 and 6. And I have a little secret. They drive me crazy. Yeah. So, they wanted to be in the live, but they were too loud. So, let's see if they come over and say hello and all that good stuff. So, I decided to do this little video just to let everyone know me, see me, see this right here. Not only pictures and positivity, I want people to get to know me, even though sometimes I sound crazy. Yeah, I do. But just come on over. Just make sure you come on over. Just make sure you register and just enjoy the information, the testimonials. You're gonna see a lot of people talking about what we do, and I think is the best thing in the world, on my opinion. So come on, join me. Again, this is your friend Leonor Gomez. And this is not going to be the only live, I promise. This is not going to be the only live. I am going to get better at it, better prepared and all that good stuff. But for my first one, it doesn't look that bad. So bear with me. Bear with me. Hi, Mom. My mom is on. She's always on. Yay. Hi, Mom. Bendición. So yeah, hop on the webinar tonight. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Easter. Why did I say Easter? No, not Eastern. Eastern time. I think it's the coffee. So my kids are singing in the background, which is crazy. Guys, no singing in the background. They're singing in the background. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna hop off. Like I said, I'm gonna put the information in the comment section so you can register for the webinar. Please make sure you hashtag replay so I can say hello and comment, and answer back and all that good stuff. And see you tonight at 7. Bye bye, everyone. Have a good one.